you doing? I am so excited. I have a brand new box to our channel, Glossybox, and I am so excited about this. I actually got it because a sale was going on. I've heard about this box for so long, and I watched some unboxings of it as well, and it seems pretty good. But the sale is what really pushed me to get it, and I'm looking at their website right now. With all new boxes, I pull up their website just to tell you a little bit about it, even though this one is pretty well known. But it looks like they have something going on this month that says receive 1 month subscription for just $15 using code May15. And then I saw that this is one of the websites for Ebates. You get 15% cash back right now. It's like their anniversary or something, or birthday or something like that on Ebates. So you can get some extra cash back. If you guys do not already use Ebates, I always leave my Ebates referral link in my description box. When you sign up, you will get an extra $10 using that link. So if you guys are interested in this box, definitely use Ebates and that promo code because that's awesome. That's kind of what pushed me to it. I didn't use this code, I don't think, but it was a different one. Nikki, Southern Mom, actually told me about it, and we both subscribed at the same time, so I'm guessing you'll see her post about this too if she has not already. But yeah, so this is a beauty subscription, and it's available worldwide, but there's different ones for each country. So this is the Glossybox for US, but if you live elsewhere, you can also get Glossybox. It just might be a little bit different. Kind of like how Birchbox is, they're in other countries, but the contents are different. So it says, it's time to shed your heavy winter makeup and get ready for the warmer weather. Enjoy this month's Glossybox with 7 products worth over $60. So this box normally costs $21 per month. So with that sale, you do save about $6, which is awesome. But yeah, I am super excited to dig in here. I don't know what's in this month's box. Like always with my boxes, I try and avoid watching any unboxing videos, so it's a surprise for me. But before we get started, I just want to let you know that my 4,000 subscriber giveaway has just ended. By the time this video is posted, I will have contacted the winner in the comment section, so go check out that video. And I also have other giveaways to tell you about. I have the Cover FX giveaway. I'll leave that link down below. And then right before I started recording this video, I recorded a video announcing a Cratejoy giveaway that's going on, along with a really awesome Cratejoy sale. So definitely check out those links below if you have not yet already. But yeah, let's get unboxing. When I open the box, this is what I see. It looks like there's oh, is there a box inside a box? There is a box inside a box. Okay. So here is a pink box, Glossybox. This seems pretty sturdy, you could reuse it if you wanted to, but you guys should see how many boxes I have. Well, you know. Oh, cute. The inside has a little print. And this is what I see underneath. It's all wrapped in a ribbon. It looks like there's some sort of advertisement for Amora coffee. It says free coffee. Yeah, I love coffee. I've only had 1 coffee so far today. I could use some more. Maybe I'll take a sip. I'm trying to get stuff done early today. I usually don't film this early, even though it's noon. It's not that early. Alright, and then there is a card on here, and I'm guessing this says everything that's inside. Yep. So it says, hey there, Glossies. So that's the name of the Glossybox girls, Glossies, girls and gals. With summer around the corner, now is a perfect time. Oh, I already said that already from the website. But it says, embrace your natural beauty and polish off those winter blues. From coconut, caffeine, and watermelon to vitamins and hyaluronic acid, this month's box features an exciting mix of products. They are packed with nourishing, healing, and revitalizing ingredients to kick your skin back into dewy perfection. Feel confident and enjoy your bare-faced beauty. And then here's everything. Which looks like they do give you the full size value. Oh, this looks good. I usually try not to look at the sheet, but it's just the way they do this, it's really pretty. Kind of reminds me of Sephora, but a little better quality, a little bit, their sheets. The first thing I see is by Daily Concepts, and I really like them. I used to use a few of their different scrubs and hair wraps and stuff like that. So this is for individuals who think in the shower. Sometimes I think too much and I take way too long of a shower. But this is the Daily Body Scrubber. So it's made with smart technology, ideal for the body, and cruelty-free, never tested on animals, which is very important for me. So this is a big sponge. Right now I'm using one of the Spongels, but when I'm done with that, I will definitely put this in my shower. But it says, we know it goes without saying, but your scrubber will be your new BFF in the shower or bath. Wet, scrub, rinse, and repeat. Partners well with your usual soap or gel for a complete exfoliation experience. I'm all about exfoliating. I love it. I talk about that kind of often. So this is a full-size item, and this is $10. It says this is perfect for buffing away dead skin cells with this texture. The scrubber has a soy-based foam material inside it to create a rich lather, allergy and dermatologist tested. Daily Concepts even incorporated its label to fade so that you know when it's time to replace your scrubber. That's really awesome. I think I've had something else like that. So knowing when to replace it's important because time can just get away from you. Like what? It's already almost the middle of May, like pretty much. It's crazy. All right, let's move on to the next item. What is this? Is this a hair product? This is by Grow Gorgeous. Back into the Roots 10-minute stimulating scalp mask. Cool. I wonder if this is full size because a lot of things like the scalp rinses come in this size. It says this is a nutritive wake-up call for roots with caffeine, zinc, and biotin. You're supposed to massage it onto your scalp, leave on for 10 minutes and more if desired. I'm curious if there's a smell. Oh, it smells like peppermint. I like that. I can see how that would be good for your scalp. Is there like tea tree oil in here or something? Let's see if it says more about it on this piece of paper. So, is this 8 fluid ounces? No, so this isn't the full size. The full size is $28. It says you should section your hair out for even application. Okay, so yeah, this is supposed to lead to healthy, happy hair. So I'm excited to try it. It smells really good and refreshing, which that'll be nice like in a morning shower or anytime really. Next up is something I actually have used up before. I've received this sample size. It's like a deluxe sample size of a Pure Lease Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. I did like it. It wasn't like my all-time favorite. It smells great. I think this might be good for like oily skin. It's lightweight, oil-free gel cream, refreshes and moisturizes. It says it's for oil combination, normal, even sensitive skin. So I probably will throw this in a giveaway just because I am using another moisturizer and I did try it and I do like it, but I think it'd be cool for one of you guys to try it, so they'll probably throw this into something in the future. The full size value is $45. That's pretty pricey. And if you like watermelon salt, yeah, this is good. So it's like I said, a lightweight oil-free gel cream filled with vitamin A, B, and C. This Aqua Balm keeps skin energized and hydrated. And it's really used for all skin types, and it gives energizing benefits of watermelon and other skin nurturing ingredients like aloe vera, cucumber, and white tea. I have the masks in this collection too, like sheet masks. I think I have like one left, or I might have actually used them. I've been using sheet masks all the time. My like big collection now is now like nothing. I need some more sheet masks in my life, which I think we're getting some. I'll do those next. But the sheet masks in this collection smell really good too, and I like them as well. So since I said sheet mask and look down, there are 2 sheet masks in here, which is great because I am in need. So the first one is actually a watermelon one, and I think this is, okay, I got something like this from Nikki, but it wasn't the same brand. It looks like it's like little pieces of masks you just put in targeted areas. So this is the Cocoa Star Slice Mask Sheet in watermelon, and then there's the Slice Mask Sheet in cucumber. So that's really cool. They actually like look like little pieces of fruit. So you apply each of the slices onto a clean, dried face and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. You can apply it to any area of skin where treatment is needed. So it's just like a regular sheet mask, but it's just like targeted more. I feel like all my face needs everything, but that's cool. I'm intrigued to try it out. It'll probably be an interesting photo. I'll snap it or put it on Instagram stories. If you're not already following me, I always leave my social media links down below in the description. But, so this is, like I said, by Cocoa Star. 2 sheets have a price of $10, so they're like $5 each, which is a good, reasonable price for face masks, I would say. Like, once they creep up to like $10, $12, that's when I think, like, ooh, that's a little expensive. So yeah, it just says, peel off the mask, or put the mask on piece by piece like a sticker. You can even use it on your neck, under your eyes, anywhere in between. So under your eyes, that's interesting. So yeah, I'm really excited to try these out. 2 more things. Next is by Oriza Beauty Dewy Glow Balm for skin, lips, and nails. Ooh, I love a dewy look. I know some people like more matte looks. I just think dewy looks good, and I kind of just get dewy naturally here in hot Florida. So the Dewy Glow Balm by Oriza has been perfectly formulated to repair and protect sensitive skin. Developed as an all-purpose skin and lip balm, That's kind of cool. This UVA and UVB filters for sun protection. Awesome. Is moisturizing, protective, anti-inflammatory, and soothing for all skin types. It's formulated with key functional botanicals. Perfect for general use and adding a dewy glow to your makeup. Cool, I'm really excited to try this out. This is full size, it says, and the full size value is $16. Cruelty free. They just talk about it being all purpose. If your lips are really dry, try dabbing your facial moisturizer on your bare lips, then place the balm on top. This double moisturization will absorb into the skin to create a perfect fusion for hydration. Interesting. Oh, and by the way, there's codes to get like 20% off all of these items. So I will definitely let you know, or ask me if you guys have any questions. If you want any of these codes, I'll give them to you. It looks like every single item has a promo code, so if I did want to repurchase or purchase full size of any of these, I could save 20%, which is pretty awesome. I think I also have a referral link with them, like just from signing up, you get that. And I think you get like 20% off. I don't know what's better, that like $6 off or the 20%, probably the $6 off, but I'll leave both the promo code and the referral link down below, so you can choose whatever you want to use if you want to subscribe. But anyways, the last thing, oh, I've tried this before and I liked it, and I'll keep this one. This is also by Purely, so we've had 2 items from them. This is the coconut oil and coffee sugar body scrub. I love coffee sugar body scrubs. It just smells so good, and I just love it. Even like the smell of coffee makes me feel a little bit more energized. I think it's totally like a placebo effect or something, you know, but that's really nice, and it's really good at moisturizing your skin, and I meant to say exfoliating, but this is supposed to moisturize as well, I guess. It says smooths, exfoliate, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes for all skin types. So this is definitely not full size. If you did want to get the full size, it is $24. And it says coffee is a scrub ingredient, can also be used for post-sun care. For those with sensitive skin prone to sunburn, gently apply coffee grounds under your skin with a cold damp cloth until redness begins to fade. That's a good tip. I could use some of that here. I don't go outside too much, but I'm hoping in the summer, like, it's gonna get so hot, like I'll be more active and go to pools or beaches or something. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I think this was a good box. I really like skincare lately, so I think Glossybox is mostly skincare. Let me know though if you've been getting this. Do you ever get like makeup and stuff? So let's just do a quick recap. We got the Daily Concept Daily Body Scrubber, which I am excited to get because I love exfoliating. So of course I love the Purely exfoliator too. We have the Purely Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm, which I'll likely put in a future giveaway because I have tried it and I would want one of you guys to have a chance. I'm probably most excited about, or this is like the top for me, one of the top items, is this Dewy Glow Balm by Oriza. I think that's how you say their name. I think that if that works well, that would be awesome because I love a dewy look. This scalp massager, or scalp mask, this smells really good, so I'm excited to try this. And then the sheet masks. So I feel like that was a lot of stuff. So especially with the coupon, I think this is worth it. But let me know your thoughts below. I subscribed to a 3 months of this, so I'll see how I feel at the end. But yeah, if you're interested, definitely get the 15% off cash back with Ebates. Ebates is the best. I saved so much money. I think I'm getting like over $65 in my next payment, which isn't until the summer. So you get paid quarterly. They can either send you a check quarterly with your cash back, or they like do your PayPal. I just put in my PayPal because that's so much easier, I think, but you can choose whatever your preference is. But yeah, I will leave all of that information in the description box. Thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so, so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.